Gangster workout's gonna happen.
Today's langar lunch.
Langar lunch. So I called for this kangi yesterday, and brother, it is dope. I use a little wooden thingy, and random from Blinkit, by the way, but pretty good choice. So if you guys remember, I'd ordered the Biz Black from HDFC, the credit card. Now, with the Biz Black, there's no invitation. If you meet the eligibility, you should get it. I meet the eligibility, but I still don't get it. First time, they had an issue that I had an HDFC bank credit card running already, so they wouldn't issue another one. We resolved that. Now they had some other issue that you don't meet the requirement or whatever. Like, I have no idea what they want me to do. Additionally, I have paid extra GST to the government. To get a refund, I need some FICR report from HDFC Bank, which they're not ready to give. So anyway, HDFC Bank has been troubling me quite a lot. Now I have Access people coming over for the Access Burgundy, Magnus Burgundy. Let's see how that goes. Honestly, I'm just losing hope for a lot of these people
It's FIRC.
FIRC.
Foreign Inward
Remittance certificate. Foreign Inward Remittance certificate. So FIRC certificate, which they're not giving me. I mean, if you've received the money in your bank, you should give me the certificate, right? They're not giving it. It's been months. Anyway, I have Access people coming over. See how that goes. Also, amongst other things, we shall also unwrap this painting today, see how it looks. I kind of like it just placed there like that, but right now it's resting on the bubble wrapping. If the bubble wrapping is taken away, I think it might slip. So we'll put it up, but yeah, it's just a caricature of a person who looks tired and all that sort of stuff. A person who has gone through non-negotiables. But yeah, let's see how this looks. No judging, no laughing that ki khreed ke liye aaya tu, okay? So everyone should appreciate.
Forceful appreciation.
Forceful. हंसना नहीं है कि पैसे दे के क्या ले आया. It's for a good cause. Yo, we got avocado, egg, and veggies.
Overnight soaked अंजीर, एक अखरोट,
एक
अखरोट, 6 almonds, और 4 किशमिश. And then it has 1 banana.
किशमिश क्यों डाली?
Sweet करने के लिए. तू तो इसको उसके साथ खा रहा है ना? You're having this with protein ना?
इसमें प्रोटीन है.
इसमें protein है. Chocolate. 1 scoop. But otherwise, we do have it just with banana and milk. It has 1 banana, milk, and water. That's it.
ठीक है वैसे. It's a good smoothie. अंजीर, raisins, almonds, walnut.
Yeah, 1 walnut.
Protein powder, unsweetened. 1 banana. It's a heavy smoothie then.
A heavy smoothie.
Must be what, 600, 700 calories.
No, not 600, but yeah, good 400 calories only.
All right, quick market update. We are still below 10 as of today. Went above yesterday, and now we're still below it. Clearly, the perfect environment for trading is still not there, but keep your research going. What you want to do in this moment is keep your research going and see what stocks are holding up, and whichever ones are holding up, add them to a list and call it the relative strength list. Mark your levels, your key levels, and then take testing positions once the market is yet again above 10. Until then, honestly, no point doing anything. Just chill, don't worry about it. Good times are coming. Okay, this is essentially my gym bag. Bottle. In the front pocket, we have the car keys and the earphones. We have the tripod, right? Sort of extendable. And in this pocket, we have the shoes, the lifting shoes. Now, the lifting shoes are very interesting. So this is what the lifting shoe looks like. And it's a training shoe, but it really works, man. Like, I have to tell you, my training is better because of this shoe. So, of course, I'm not recommending this particular model, but just get yourself lifting shoes. You'll see the difference. If not, then lift nange pair or with socks, but really makes a difference. Alright, let's go, son.
प्लेन वाली रॉड ला दो.
प्लेन वाली भी ला देंगे.
सब लाएंगे, आप लिस्ट बना दो जो.
आज रैक आ जाए ना, फिर सारी एक कलेक्शन करते हैं. गबा मामा क्या कर रहे हैं? ये मामा क्यों कर रहे हैं अच्छे? गबा अभी लिफ्टिंग कर लो. पिताजी के लिए तो बहुत जरूरी है. I don't watch such trashy TV shows.
God, you'll get so much hatred if you say Friends is a trashy show.
It's basic.
Have you watched Friends? Who's your favorite character?
Chandler.
Why do people like Chandler? I love Joey.
I love Joey, but I like Chandler a lot. But when Matthew Perry died,
ये
उसके
मेरा
बाद मैंने
चैंडलर,
एक भी
ये
बार
मेरा
देखा नहीं।
जोई, मेरी जान, मेरा
I
सोलमेट.
love.
How does that even happen, man? अब हिप से वो कुशनी पार्ट,
ये ऊपर ऐसे रखूं पैर.
हाँ, all the way down and a good, yeah, and smooth, कोई झटका नहीं, yeah, that's it.
Form सही था.
Form, मेरी limited knowledge में तो, हाँ, मेरी limited knowledge में ठीक था form,
तेरे नॉलेज में सही था ना
हाँ, मेरी knowledge.
बिकॉज मैं आई थिंक वो वेट से करने के लिए फ्री वेट से मेरी बोन में दर्द आ गया
हाँ, उस पर बहुत pressure पड़ता है.
हाँ तो मैंने सोचा
Anyway, I'll do a 90 kilogram lat pull down. Let's see how that goes. Okay, now I'm gonna do a very simple 100 kilogram lat pull down. I've never tried it in my life. Let's see how it goes. The form may be terrible. If the form is terrible, I won't do it. But we're gonna try at least. I've taken a 2-minute break after the last set of 90 kilogram. This is the maximum on the machine. Let's see how it goes. Yeah.
I paid for my gym membership. This is the maximum number of times I've landed in the gym in the last 6 months.
The workout was beautiful. Had a good workout. At this juncture, let us not forget that we can work out with freedom because of our freedom fighters. Like Netaji Subhash Palace. We wouldn't be here if not for our freedom fighters, so we remember their sacrifice. But now we get back to lunch and more menial affairs like a Zoom session.
Yeah, but please remember it's still Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, not Palace.
आए तो हम दूसरी कार में थे. But there's been a change since the bebes have gone for a walk with the staff in the other car. So T2G had come to the gym, be like, I want your car, brother. We are very excited because the decathlon track has finally arrived. And उन्हें कॉल की थी मैंने कि मैं बाहर खलोता हूँ तो मैं क्या वेट कर लिया मैं आ रहा. So gonna just go home and see what's what. देखो जी, that's the courier. Ladies are chilling, killing, enjoying. इसकी असेंबली कौन करेगा?
That chicken is.
मैं अपनी असेंबली ट्रस्ट नहीं करता क्योंकि गिर गुर गया तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी. That was heavy. 2 हैं कितने हैं? 2. बहुत भारी लग रहा है. ये उससे भी भारी है. पावर रैक 900. आजा जी पावरफुल. तो मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ.
This is 50 बस.
थके? चाय कॉफी लोगे? बताओ.
पानी.
लस्सी कुछ भी नहीं. कुछ तो ले लो. बिस्किट. 8994. ठीक है. ये आप दोनों के लिए बॉस.
धन्यवाद सर.
ओके जी. थैंक यू. हाँ, put in a request. वानी put in a request ना that they come and assemble it. यार वो तुम सब करो, हर चीज़ मैं करूँ क्या लाइफ में? I don't have the time.
Why are you so busy? Yes. Why? And how could you leave for the gym when you were looking at that cute face?
मैंने इसे बोला let's go walk
How
him.
could you?
अब देखेंगे इसको pack or whatever assemble कैसे करना है. But this is how it's gonna look. Pretty excited, yeah. And यहीं पे आएगा ये. This area. It's covered and stuff, so gangster workout's gonna happen. और ये उठा के फिर हम कभी गार्डन में डाल देंगे so that we can do early morning workouts. Insane stuff coming, boys and girls.
Today's langar lunch.
Langar lunch. What
That's
is?
why you have like that langar में जो mix अचार मिलता है खाने के लिए.
अच्छा ये अचार है and ये आलू. अच्छा फिर दाल आ रही होगी.
हाँ.
हम तो बड़े खुश हुए.
तो आनु भी मुबारक है.
अब हम करेंगे back.
अच्छा दाल आ गई है. चलो जी खाइए और let's enjoy. जान आए हैं. ये तो friends है. Thank you so much जी. देखो जी, let us be thankful for what we are about to receive. कोई और पंजाबी वर्जन ऑफ ग्रेस है? ਅਸੀਂ ਰੱਬ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
लंगर से पहले यही तो होता है. जयकारा ही तो होता है.
Yes, true. But what you essentially need to focus on is expansion of this liquidity, and that expansion, let's look how it may sort of come up, and everything that we've learned has to be applied in a holistic manner. What does the stock look like in this zone?
Definitely not in like a stage 2 and it's very choppy. It goes up then comes down.
कौन लगाएगा इसको? इनको ही बुलाना पड़ेगा जिसको एक्सपर्टीज हो इसमें, है ना? दिखाना.
टूल किट उसका. टूल किट नहीं है, ये पेंच है उसकी.
हाँ पेच है, ये तो
पेंच
लगेगा
है.
उसमें.
हाँ ये पेंच है.
I should have kept it, right? So
You sold the entire thing?
apparently it wasn't much. So that's another funny thing. Usually I put like 5 grand or 7 grand or 10 grand in a stock. This I purchased for testing the waters for only $1,000.
Okay, you're
Right.
testing the waters. No problem, yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. Oh man, it's been such a long day. Had sessions back to back, but now I will take a shower and then call it a day, and then do the same thing tomorrow. Work out, work, etc., right? So that's the plan. Hope you're enjoying the vlogs. I'm gonna see you later, and also got to figure out how to assemble that decathlon rack.
Burgundy account holder है ना?
हाँ.
मुझे भी free टिकट मिलेंगी, मुझे भी free टिकट मिलेंगी.
2 ना महीने की. हाँ ठीक है.
2 नहीं, 2 फ्री मिलती हैं 2 के साथ.
2+2 इससे पैसे ले लेंगे हम.
क्यों देंगे?
तो मुझे कैश दे दियो.
कॉइन्स दूंगी.
हाँ जी.
आजो बैठ जाओ 5.
मूवी देखनी है 3.5 घंटे की. हम सोच रहे एक हम फर्स्ट हाफ देखा है, फिर सेकंड हाफ बाद में जब टीवी पे आएगी देख लेंगे.
फर्स्ट हाफ देखा है.
हाँ.
ये क्या तो हुआ?
3.5 घंटे तो मैं नहीं बैठ सकता.
दोनों ने करा क्या? पापा ने तुझे ऐसे मूव करा तो तू शिफ्ट हो गई.
देखो गाइस, वानी के वर्किंग आवर्स बहुत लिबरल है, बट ये जाती नहीं है घर.
Please also mention कि वानी 3:30 से करण का वेट कर रही थी कि हम शेड्यूल फाइनलाइज करेंगे.
2 सेकंड का काम.
ब्रो तुम ये 3:30 से सिर्फ उसी चीज का वेट कर रहे थे.
तो ये तो
चीजें थी, लेकिन
ये तो कॉल पे भी हो सकता था.
आप उनके हाँ ये
करण
सेशन
वो
के बाद
चाय
करते
है,
हैं.
इट्स वेरी टेस्टी.
सेशन के बाद अभी आया और वॉशरूम में चले गए और फिर
करण चाय इज वेरी टेस्टी.